Hello friends, in this session we will learn that how we can create directories in hdfs and how we can load data text files in hdfs hadoop distributed file system. So this is our cloudera manager and we will see some directory in hdfs. So we'll go towards file browser and you can see here there are two directory, temp and user, and we will go towards user side. Then inside user there are five directories: hdfs, history, hive, hui and uzi. So inside user directory we will create a directory and we will create some text file with some words. So let's do practical for it. So inside user we have only five directory, and this is our node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4 prompt. And first we will check here. We will check the list of directories and we can type on any prompt, on any command prompt. So we can make directory from any node. So when we type hdfs dfs list of directory, we have to see here. We can see here there are five directories are user hdfs, user history, user hive, user hui and user uzi. And this is for node 1, and for node 2 we can also check, because we have established a secure shell connections among the nodes, node 1 to node 2, node 3, node 4 and so on. So from node 2 we can get successful results. So now we are making a directory inside user. So we will paste this command here, and now the directory should be created, and we can see here slash user. Now you can see here inside user this cloudera is a directory, subdirectory, and we can make another directory inside cloudera. We can execute from any node. So there will be one directory, name is data. We can also check for node 3 here. This is one directory, name is data. And we can also check here inside user user, this is cloudera, and this is data. Now we can make a text file with some text, and we can execute this command from any node. And we will paste echo hello world era, and we have to give permission to our root. So we have used sudo -u, and this is a syntax hdfs hadoop fs append to file, and user cloudera data, and inside data subdirectory there will be a text file data.txt. So this text hello world era will be saved in data.txt file, which will be created. Now we can see this text hello world era by using cat command. So from any node you can execute these statements, these commands, and this is a text hello world era inside data.txt directory. Thus we learn here that how we can create directory, and we can create text file with some text. Now we can remove our directory with the command -rm -r, because data is a directory. If we don't take sudo -u, then see what will be happen. Now here I am taking this command without sudo -u. I'm not giving permission to root folder here. For node 4 we will do operation here. So there is an error, so we have to type sudo -u, then paste that command to delete the directory. And it is traced. Now we can see, and there will be no directory of name data, nothing. Inside user there is one directory, name is cloudera. And we can use put command to store data from local file system to our hdfs, and we will execute this command later. This is our node 1, and now we can see the results from cloudera manager. Inside cloudera manager there is hdfs package, and in hdfs user cloudera, and inside cloudera there will be nothing. So in this way we can create directory, subdirectory, and text files, and we can add some text on text file, and we can delete our directories In next video, we will see that how we can install VNC server that will provide a graphical user interface to interact between our nodes and files, which we can see in graphical way. So next video there will be some steps that how to install VNC server on these multi-cluster nodes. Thanks for watching.